Hello, sir. Hello. Sir, tell me. Hello. Hello, with me, sir.
哎，你的我
Hello, sir. Tell me with me.
It's better for you to take Fluency.
It's better for you to take picture there.
No.
Assalamualaikum. Now I'm standing at a rail station, but I have met a Chinese person. He's sitting beside me, and he's not eager to talk to me on video call, on the video making. But I am agreed. I have made him agree to talk to me. No problem. I'll see him to me. He's here. Yes, he's sitting here, and he can speak little bit, not too much. But he's very grateful person in China, and he has come here maybe few years ago, and he is now owner of this tax, and he is being working, and some things he is taking, and he is taking some memorable things also, and very good things in our country's people. You know, the most of the Chinese people who have come to our country to work, at least thousands of people have come here, and you know also that around the import things of Bangladesh is most of comes from China. And here the Nimtala railway station, after few months later, I have got chance to talk to them. Sir, would you like to talk to me, sir? Sir, he is not eager to talk to me, and he disagreed to talk to me, so I cannot speak with him, but I talk to him a lot of time. Not only he, but also many Bangladeshi people are working these railway stations. Behind me there is one of person who has come here to take a rest, and if I get chance to talk to them, but these Chinese people looks very awesome and very good things, I hope. And he's another employee. He has come here to take a rest. A very beautiful place. I make a lot of video about this railway stations, because this railway station is beside my house, and very nice things to understand and very nice to talk. Sir, give me two things. Sir, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Tell me. Hello, with me, sir.
哎，你的我
Hello, sir. Tell me with me.
It's better for you to take Fluency.
It's better for you to take picture there. Oh, sir. This is the right place for me.
No. That.
Okay, sir. Thank you. He told me to go another place and to take a photo, to make a video. He is not interested to give or see his smile or see his face, whole body. So no problem. I'm ending my video here, and I'll talk to another side, another moment, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.